Simbahang Rizal, or the Rizal Shrine, is a prominent historical and cultural site located in Calamba, Laguna, the birthplace of Jose Rizal, the Philippine national hero. The shrine is housed in a family's ancestral home, which has been preserved and transformed into a museum dedicated to Rizal's life contribution to the country. The instructors showcase various artifacts including personal belongings, letters, and photography, which offer insight into his upbringing and the influence that shapes his literary genius, thought, exhibit, detailing, and writing the advocacy of reform. The shrine served to educate visitors about Rizal's commitment and social justice and his vision for a better Philippines.
Beyond its role as a museum, Simbahang Rizal also functions as a vibrant site for commemorative activities and educational programs. It attracts not only local and foreign tourists but also students and researchers, fostering a deeper understanding of Rizal's work in the historical context of his time. Events such as lectures, cultural presentations, and commemorative rites are often held here, emphasizing Rizal's enduring legacy in the fight for Philippine independence and identity. Overall, the shrine stands as testament to Rizal's impact on Filipino culture and nationalism, inspiring future generations to uphold his ideas and patriotism and reform.